All right, cool. So this is the first video on product research. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can go out there and find other stores that are running Google Shopping ads, because other stores that are running Google Shopping ads are a good place to get ideas and upload products that are similar and also trending. So just before I start this, I want to say that you really need to be launching at minimum of 5 products per day. This isn't Facebook. You don't have to go and create like really high converting ads or anything. It's quite easy to get up 5 products per day, and it's the minimum amount that you should be adding to your store. You really need to test as many products as possible in Google Shopping. With Google Shopping, it's more about volume over quality. You really need to brute force and try and get as many products as possible tested, right? So I've got a VA, and my VA uploads 10 to 15 products per day, right? So you should train one. So one VA should be able to get up 5 products. So right now I'm using 3 different VAs, and each of those VAs is doing 5 product uploads per day. I recommend just give this course to a VA. You can go to upwork.com and hire a product upload VA that only costs about $5 or even $4 an hour. But yeah, just give them my course. Tell them to go through the product research and the product upload methods and try and get them uploading 5 products per day. So now that's covered. So the best way I've found profitable products is by creating a big list of dropshipping stores that are advertising on Google, right? So other dropshipping stores that are using Google ads to drive traffic, and then using spy tools to see what kind of products are selling well. I'll get onto the spy tools in a second, but first I'll show you how to find dropshipping stores that are running Google Shopping. And then in the description of this video, I'll also add a bunch of sites that I've found that are running Google ads that are dropshipping as well, so you can spy on them too. Check out description of this video for a list of sites. But remember that I just wouldn't rely on the list of sites I've provided, because there's going to be a number of people in this course that are using that sheet. So it's good to find your own. So I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and find your own. So firstly, make sure that you're using a proxy or you're connected to the United States, right? And what I'm going to do is go to Amazon Movers and Shakers. And so Amazon Movers and Shakers is basically like products that have a high sales rank over the past 24 hours. So like products that are moving, like products that are trending upwards. And I recommend looking at 5 separate departments, right? So you want to look at home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, patio, lawn and garden, sports and outdoors, and tools and home and improvement. So these are the departments here that usually have dropshipping products that are available on AliExpress. So you can find these here in any department. I'm actually going to quickly copy and paste this into Amazon here so you guys have it. So let's open these up in new tabs. So home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, patio, sports, tools. So just open these in new tabs up here. So let's check out the first one. So movers and shakers in home and kitchen. So I'm just going to have a look at the products here and just have a look and see if I can see any products that would be dropshipped. I can already see this one there'll be tons of dropshipping stores selling this, but it's a little bit old. I've seen it advertised on Facebook like over 6 months ago. This has caught my eye, the Ultimate Memory Foam Travel Pillow. So I'm going to go in on Google and see, I'm going to search this product and see if I can find dropshipping stores selling this product, right? So memory foam travel pillow. So you can see it's like some of them sell at a decent price, right? So we want to open this up and I want to sort like this. And what I want to do here, right, is I want to look and find unique names that could be dropshipping stores, right? So Land's End could potentially be a dropshipping store. Usually when you see positive ratings, a lot of the time they're using third-party Google Shopping ratings, and if they're a dropshipper, that won't be as high. But I'm going to open it up anyway and have a look. So when you see coming from 4 stores, usually if it's a dropshipper, this will have like a unique name. So if we open this up, you can see that, yeah, most of the times they're like on eBay. And if we go to like one of the products here that's selling on 10 plus stores, yeah, a lot of them are on eBay, like Amazon, Fillin's Basement, whatever that is. It looks like a pretty popular store because it's got so many positive ratings. Gift Universal could potentially be a dropshipping store, but usually if it's a dropshipping store, it will be a unique store without like multiple sellers selling exactly the same product. So I'm going to keep scrolling down to see if I can find some other dropshipping stores. If you see like 91 positive reviews with like 16,000 reviews, it's definitely not a dropshipping store. So I'm going to keep having a look. Uncommon Goods could definitely, it's a dropshipping store's name, but if you look at the reviews, it's not going to be a dropshipping store. So I'm going to keep going next. I might actually try a different search name. I might just try Travel Pillow, like a much more broader search query, and sort by this kind of list. Let's have a look now what we can see. So this could potentially be a dropshipping store here. So I'm going to open these. Maybe I'll just try and find one more store and then I'll open these up. And hopefully there's a dropshipping store in there. If not, we'll just come and find another product. Maybe this wasn't the best product to find a dropshipping store, but it gives you an idea of what to look for. All right, let's just open these up. So Land's End doesn't look like it's dropshipping just from the way the site is set out. They're not on Shopify either. Yeah, so these guys aren't dropshipping. So I'm going to cancel this off. This potentially looks like a dropshipping store. They're on Shopify because I can see Commerce Inspector is active. I'll teach you how to use Commerce Inspector as a tool soon, but I'm just going to go home, have a look at the products to see if they're dropshipping. We go products. No, it doesn't look like they're dropshipping because they're not constantly launching products. This site, don't think these guys are dropshipping either. So just because I can't find a dropshipper selling like a travel pillow or memory foam pillow, it's still like, it doesn't mean that the product wouldn't be bad to test, right? So if we go to Google Trends, type in memory foam travel pillow. If it's trending, I would definitely 100% still test this. Yeah, so you can see like it's trending upwards now. I would definitely still go and test this product, given that if it's available on AliExpress. Let's go do a quick search on AliExpress. Pillow. I mean, if there aren't other dropshippers promoting it, it could mean that the product is actually good and not saturated by other dropshippers. So, I mean, yeah, I would definitely go in, add this to my store, and you can price it well. Like those product margins that you saw before were high. So, I mean, you could easily sell it with a $20 profit margin or a $10 profit margin if you wanted to start off. So I would 100% go and sell this on my store and test it. Another thing we wanted to check was the search volume of it. Yeah, so we've got 22,000 searches. So 100% I would go and test this product, right? So it's trending for one. It's got over 1,000 searches a month. Ideally over 10,000 searches a month. I can't really see any dropshippers selling it on Google Shopping. So this is actually a really good product to test. I just want to see what happens if we type in U-shaped neck pillow and see if we can find any people selling this exact same product. So I'm going to go here, type in U-shaped neck pillow. So we've got like similar products to what's being sold here. And this could be a dropshipping store. Okay, so this is definitely a dropshipping store, right? So we have found we officially found a dropshipping store that is running Google Shopping ads, right? So I'm going to add this to my list of sites, and this is what you should be doing as well, right? Like I can just tell that it's dropshipping just by the way the page is laid out. Come down here, all these products are dropshipped as well. If we look at Commerce Inspector, you can see they're constantly launching new products, right? So this is awesome. This is what we want to see. And another way to tell they're dropshipping is if you go and click on their FAQs and look at their shipping FAQ, it will say products take up to 2 to 3 weeks to be delivered. So that's another way. But I just want to check this site as well. So I'm not 100% sure if these guys are dropshipping or not, but it looks kind of like a site, like a deal site where they're selling products from China. So there's lots of sites like this as well, which are likely drop shipping and holding inventory at the same time. If we have a look at new releases and top deals, you can usually gauge if they're selling from China. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, so these guys are selling from China as well. Just have a look at their departments. Oh no, they've got heaps of stuff here. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to add these guys as well to the list, just because they've got like a huge sort of collection, and I'll show you how to see which products they're promoting in the next video using tools. All right, so just to summarize everything I've gone over, the first thing is you basically want to come into Amazon, right? And you want to go into those categories that I talked about. Then once you're in like a category, you want to look for a product that could be potentially selling from China, and ideally something that's kind of new, right? So I'm just having a look through here. So this 3-in-1 avocado slicer, right? So I know lots of dropshippers sell kitchen products. So I'm going to go into Google and type in 3-in-1 avocado slicer. And then from here, you want to look at stores that potentially have a drop shipping name like this, like Helpful Stuffs, Incredible Little Things. And you basically want to come here and you want to find drop shipping stores that you can add to your list, right? So it's not that hard to do. And you just want to build up a good list of drop shipping stores so you can spy on them later. So if we have a look here, see, I've already found a drop shipping store. So that was a lot easier than the last one. So I can already tell they're drop shipping just by the store layout. And I'll prove to you that they're drop shipping if we go to, if they don't even have an FAQ. If we go to shipping, United States, 5 to 25 business days. Like these are drop shipping times here. And the way to double check is if you go into products, they've launched 30 products recently. So they're not launching that many products, but still, like a lot of these products would actually be good to test on Google Shopping as well. They're testing some higher ticket products as well here, which are good. I'm going to add this site to our site list as well that we can look at. But if we check these others, yeah, you just go through the same process here. Frugo is definitely not drop shipping. They're a big brand. I don't know why I clicked on them. Goods Vine could potentially be drop shipping. You'd have to go into the same process. All right, cool. So that is it for this video on finding drop shipping stores and stores that are selling from China that are using Google Ads.